Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends is not launching on your PC, and it really doesn't matter if your game is on EA app or Steam. I will show you what you need to do here. So first, if you're using third-party controller apps like Revast or DS4 Windows, just disable them completely because anti-cheat do not allow to use these apps anymore. So just completely exit them and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you need to go to library where your game is installed. For me is EA. Then press on the three dots, view properties. On Steam, super similar. Then open folder. Then on open folder, you need to look for a R5 apex.exe. Right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimizations is selected, then select change high DPI settings, and then here select application here, apply, okay. Then do the same with R5 DX12, right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, change high DPI scaling, override, application, apply, okay. Then close all the settings, go on three dots here and repair your Apex Legends. Maybe some files is missing and they need to be fixed. Next thing, what you need to do here is to, again, go to library, go to the game, and then press on the manage, view properties, and then make sure this launch option line is basically deleted, right? Blank, and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, also if you're using NVIDIA overlay, NVIDIA Discord, Steam overlay, try to disable them all off because disable them off because sometimes it can conflict with the game. Also, go to graphics settings here, then look for Apex Legends on this list here. And once you found Apex Legends, what you need to do here is to let's say here it's Apex Legends, select to high performance, right? And then try to launch the game. And still, if this do not work, what I suggest to do here is to, if there is a availability for you, move Apex to another drive. On Steam, it's super fast and easy. You just need to look for the game, go to properties, installed files, and then move here to another drive. On EA app, it's more complex. Just look on the internet how to do that, but also it's available as well. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.